Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to get a Super Street Fighter 2 Turbo profile picture. First off, you're going to want to go to the link in the description and download this folder right here. It has all of the images from the game ripped directly from the files. First off, you're going to want to go and pick a picture that you like. Let's say I'll pick Fei Long. I'll pick this guy. This cool one. I want to open up your image editor. I like GIMP better, so I'm going to pick GIMP. I'm loading it up right now. Okay, now that we have GIMP open, you're going to want to drag and drop this file into the GIMP box. Now that you have your image out, you'll want to crop this the picture that you'd like. I'll choose this one, about pretty much the entire thing, and then go to Image and then Crop to Selection. After that, you're going to want to go to Canvas Size and increase the size to 128 by 128. And after that, you just want to make sure that this is all the way down by pressing this up arrow on the Y button right here. Make sure it's right down here, or you can just move this image right here. Then click Resize. Now that you have that, you can make a background. If you don't want a background, then just skip this step. Create a new layer, name it whatever you want, place it right under the picture, then choose a color. I'm going to choose yellow. It's this cool yellow. Then just fill the background with it. Oh, okay. Well, just fill the background with the color. Then merge these two layers, and there you go. You've got your profile picture. Go to File, and then Export As. Then you can go to Pictures, and then save it as whatever you want. Profile. We're using default settings, and then yep, should be good. Yeah, that's how you make a profile picture. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.